Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oxygen at home. First, always follow your doctor's specific prescription for oxygen flow rate and duration. Next, familiarize yourself with your chosen oxygen delivery system, whether it's a concentrator, liquid oxygen, or compressed gas. Proper setup and regular maintenance are key to ensuring your equipment functions safely and effectively. Finally, learn to recognize how oxygen therapy helps you feel better. There are several common types of oxygen delivery systems. Oxygen concentrators are popular, filtering air to provide a continuous supply. Liquid oxygen systems store a highly concentrated form, offering portability. Compressed oxygen tanks also provide a portable option, but have a finite supply. Oxygen is typically delivered through a nasal cannula or a mask, depending on your needs and comfort. Safety is paramount when using oxygen at home. Always keep oxygen at least 5 feet away from open flames, heat sources, and electrical appliances. Store oxygen tanks securely in an upright position to prevent them from falling. Regularly clean your nasal cannula or mask and other equipment according to your provider's instructions. Also, check tubing for any kinks or blockages that could impede oxygen flow. Integrating oxygen therapy into your daily life can be smooth. If you have a portable device, plan ahead for travel to ensure you have enough oxygen. Stay active within your doctor's guidelines, as exercise can improve your overall well-being. Always know when to contact your healthcare provider if you experience changes in your condition or equipment issues. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle further supports your oxygen therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.